Are we together? So extra information, for example, in a place over time. Kati wantu gambye every day. Every day is the extra information it won't get the coin of sentence to make it more advanced. So we say every day. You can use any time word. For example, every day, tomorrow. It depends on what you want to say. So every day, the extra information. So this is the time, or the extra information represented by time. Every day. So this is advanced sentence. Kubanga eberamu subject nga wetulabye, inamu verb which is place, inamu football which is the object, and time factor which is every day. So that is how we formulate sentences in advanced structure. So this in Luganda kigenda kuba omulenzi omuwanvu, because the tall boy. Omulenzi omuwanvu azanya plays omupiira, which is the verb, every day, buli lunaku. So this is the time frame, buli lunaku, every day. Good. Let's see example 2. She bought a red car last week. Once again, she bought a red car last week. Kino kitegeeza ki? She is the subject. Maybe a girl or a lady. She, this is the subject. Bought is the verb. Okugula. Red car. So a red car. Twongera ku motoka eno, but it is red. So adjective getukozesezza it is red. Ndozo kalaba. A red car. Tugambye adjective tuziteeka atona bakuwandika linnya byagala kwogera. So car ye motoka, but it is red in color. So red is the adjective. Good. Car is the object. Tulifena. So we have the subject, verb, adjective. Tujirabye. Car is the object. Last week. Last week is the time. Ekikolwa ekyalimu. Time. Extra information. So this is advanced sentence. She bought a red car last week. So you follow subject, verb, object, and extra information. Format ngo forming advanced sentence in English. She bought a red car last week. Kigenda kuba ye yaguze emotoka emyufu, because red car. You further elaborate the type of car she bought. So that is the adjective. Adjective kwongera okunyonnyola erinnya lyoyagala okwogera. Are we together? So she bought a red car last week. Ye yaguze emotoka emyufu wiki ewedde. Are we together? So following in the format, subject, verb, object, and extra information. Extra information oyinza okubayagala kwogera ku kifo oba time ekintu ekyakolebwamu. Ndowooza tuli ffenna. Good. Okay, let's see this example. She has a long dress. She has a long dress. Moyo sentence subject yaffe kije twogerako. Good. She is the subject. Good. What next? Verb erichi. To have. Has. Because ogera ku kintu kimu. Has is the verb. Object eri dress. Good. Object is the dress. But a long dress. So eno a long ye adjective. Eyongera okunyonnyola ekiteeteeyi kye waguze. Are we together? So she has a long dress. She is the subject. So she is the subject. Verb eri has. Long is the adjective. Dress is the object. Are we together? This follows under advanced sentences. So sikyateeka nti buli sentence erina okubeerako time factor. Kati nga olaba eno terina time factor, but it is advanced kubanga erina adjective eyongera okunnyonnyola ekyo ekiteeteeyi kye yaguze. Tuli ffenna. So most of the time sentences ziyinza okuba tezirina time factor oba tezirina extra information, but nga zirina adjective. So zipushinga okubeeramu advanced structure kubanga yongera okunnyonnyola eyo dress kye waguze. Good. Number 4. The handsome man is coming today. Once again. The handsome man is coming today. What is the subject? Good. Subject is man. Bwe twogerako naye oyo omulenzi oba musajja man. ali handsome. So handsome is the adjective. Those are tuli fena. So adjective here used is handsome. Handsome is the adjective. Adjective. Subject ali man. Is coming. Ekikolwa kiri verb eri kujja, which is coming. Verb. Time factor eri today. Obudde wagenda okujiramu. Today. Time. So we have subject here, man. So we have the subject being the man. Adjective is handsome. Coming is the verb. And time factor is today. So when we sentence the muli object, we have subject, verb, adjective, and the time factor. So mu sentence zo muyinza okubanga mulimu subject, verb, extra information. Obanga mulimu subject, object, extra information. You should take note of that. Kisinzira ki kyoyagala okukozesa. Sikyateeka nti sentence yo enokubeera nga eri full in this format. Naye most of the sentences zibeeramu subject, verb, object, extra information. Oyinza osanga sentence yo ng'erimu subject, verb, ne extra information nga terina object, as we've seen. Okay, so that is how the advanced sentence structure looks like. Engeri gye tukolamu emboozi empanvu mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Those tuli fena. Okay, an exercise. Let's first note adjectives used in these sentences. For example, I have long in this sentence. Number 3, long dress. So adjective used is long. Can you send in your answers in the comment section for the adjectives used in these remaining sentences? Number one, what is the adjective used in this sentence? Adjective kije tukozesezza ku number 1 osoma eno sentence. Number 2, adjective eriki? Answer yo gyenjagala okulabako. Number 4, adjective eriki? Answer zo zisendinge mu comment section mu kaboxi. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Whatever. Don't forget, in the coming video we shall see and understand more about adjectives. How do we use adjectives in advanced sentence structure? Bye bye. Whatever.